Hello everyone, this is more like Check here, and this is one of the Windows 11 series in this channel, which I recommend you to see the playlist that will show in the right corner for more tutorials about Windows 11. Anyway, today I just wanted to make a very quick video to show you how to show icons shortcuts in the search menu. These shortcuts are useful for me to access downloads, settings and many more just from the search menu. So let's go ahead and search. First thing, we're gonna go to search and head to settings and then go to personalization, and now we just need to scroll down and click on the search, and then you're gonna see these folders. This feature is called folders. We're gonna click on it like that, and when we enable any shortcut here, it will show in the search menu like this. And now we're gonna in example select like downloads, and it will appear simply here. This is a very easy way. So as you can see, it's quite simple to do that. You're just gonna enable whatever shortcut you want and it will be enabled simply. So as you can see, I disabled settings and it doesn't appear anymore. If I disable any of them, it will only show the power button. As you can see, it will just say there it's important. So now I'm just gonna enable whatever I need, like settings and file explorer, and it will show in here. I hope you guys find this video helpful for you. Many videos are coming about Windows 11, simple and advanced methods to get used to the new operation system. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more new content. See ya.